Thank you for watching the episode of Stone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today, I'm just showing you these Rudolph, the Rednosed Reindeer brick kits. I'm going to be building them both. I'm going to do them as a short, though. I will link the videos in the description if you want to see those shorts. But yeah, so we've got, I'm just doing, my wife she bought like the whole set. She went a little crazy. But I'm just doing a Yukon Cornelius one. So one is a Christmas tree ornament. It's got a little hanging, exposing thing with it to help you hang it. And not real sure how that's going to work out on a tree, but I guess we're going to find out. And then the other one is more of a, you know, like a model of the little fella. I'm really excited to build them both. They look like a lot of fun. Let's see if we can get one open here and see what's inside here. These are made by Brickcraft. We have found the Brickcraft to be pretty high quality. Very Lego-like as far as an alternate brick kit goes. Or fake Lego. This it's only 95 pieces, so it should be a pretty quick build. It's only 2 bags, and we got the instruction book. And it is an actual book. They didn't, even though it's small, they didn't give us a poster format. They gave us a book format. So everything looks really quick and clear to follow there. We got these from Walmart, and I think this is probably the best place to get them, although I think maybe even Hobby Lobby might carry them. But yeah, Walmart is where we picked these up. Also, I have found them on Amazon, but I'm not sure about the real price matching there, whether they're similar price as you would find them at Walmart. I have a feeling they're probably not, probably more expensive. Another we did that was very fun by Brickcraft was this Grinch that Stole Christmas. Seen there, you can see where Grinchy is coming down the Christmas tree there and getting ready to steal some presents and some stockings in the Who house. So yeah, I'll get this built toot sweet, and like I said, link both videos as shorts for you guys to view and enjoy, and see if you want to purchase these for yourself. Alright, thanks for watching. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed. And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.